Do you think we trade so much of our time uh to our career? Kasi kunwari, like, we could have traveled more. We could have like more memories, more fun times, 'di ba? Like, do you think we traded so much of our time building the skill, building this career na we could have had more fun, na we could have regret as at a certain point in time na I wish we traveled more. I wish we did this, we did that. But instead, we did this. We did work. We did, alam mo, we tried to improve ourselves in our craft.
Well, to be honest, very ambivalent ako sa topic na yan. As in, super torn ako kasi there's a part of me saying na focus on your goal, keep grinding, keep working hard kasi it will all be worth it in the end. Kasi may goal na ako eh.
Mm.
Ngayon nga, nasabi ko yung cafe studio. Ang layo ko pa para ma-achieve yun. So, I'm parang right now, nagkakaedad ako, I really want to get there as fast as I could. I'm that type of person. I want to get there as fast as I could. Pero, at the same time, gusto ko gumala. Gusto ko mag happy-happy lang. Parang gusto kong, I want to experience more life. Parang ganun. I want to experience life outside then of photography, I guess. Pero kasi, kahit may ganung aspect, siguro it's
Mm,
about
'di ba?
finding the right balance, which is something na hindi ko pa nagagawa. Pero I did try to do it itong past summer. Kasi mababa yung booking rate ko nung April, May. So, I took advantage of it. I went out. So, pumunta ako sa mga lugar na hindi ko pa napupuntahan before and gusto ko talagang puntahan. So, sa part na yun, nabalance ko siya kasi nakapag-travel ako kahit papaano and naka-encounter ako ng mga tao na hindi dahil sa photography. Kumbaga, nag-travel ako, na-meet ko yung mga ibang tao, narinig ko din stories nila, na ang dami ding stories. So, it's fun. Pero, it's really hard to find that balance. So,
Yeah, 'di ba?
siguro, on my case, itatry ko siya i-pursue on available dates. Kasi ngayon, andun ako sa point na ah, hindi ko goal sobrang magkaroon ng malaking savings. It sounds very uh, childish siguro, pero hindi na ako nag-goal na kailangan ganito kalaki yung pera ko na savings para anytime mabibili ko yung gusto ko. Hindi. Parang ngayon,
Mm.
ang focus ko is work muna sa career and then yung current pera ko, aside sa panggastos, pang build ng career ko, is use that money to experience life. Kagaya nun, paano magta-travel. Kesa bibili ng damit, bili ng sapatos, bili ng kung ano-ano na meron naman na ako, and okay pa naman, why not spend it to experience life, which is travel, ganyan. So, siguro yung pagsasabay ng ganun, feeling ko achievable siya. And ngayon, plano ko pa rin naman talagang gumala. Kaso maulan kasi lately, kaya hindi na ako makalabas. So I think possible pa rin naman siya kasi imposibleng 30 out of 30, 31 out of 31 ng buwan may trabaho ka eh. So you really have to squeeze in yung time for that. You don't have to save the money sa bangko lang. You have to spend it to experience it. Parang